1949, independent country. After 1949, Portugal and China had Xinjiang before it's listed. The different name. Xinjiang now means very much since our suffering discrimination, persecution, and respect our lives, culture, language, religion.
It's Turkestan.
It is, yeah, East Turkestan. It is my family. Example, I do exam life, that of concentration. I explain all them concentration camp.
سيدريس والله بخير ما شاء الله اخويا تبارك على المناظر
Het is alles pro met titel.
كوكولا كوكولا انرجي جديده جديده انرجي جديده بصح
It's all children. Children take from their parents. It's all of this game. I like cultural.
Everything is closed.
زين
We're broken.
So, boys,